Welcome to AI Care tutorial series. In this tutorial, I will show you how to manage Rockboxes. As a system administrator, you can list Rockboxes, add a Rockbox, edit a Rockbox, or delete a Rockbox. When you first navigate to the Rockboxes page under Devices, you will see all the Rockboxes registered in the system that you have access to. The list of Rockboxes may be long. In this case, you can filter the list by choosing the Filter By drop-down and choose a facility type. For example, you can choose Enterprise, Venue, Building, or Floor. Depending on the value chosen, you may have further filtering options. This will filter the Rockboxes list by the selected facility type. You can add a Rockbox by using the Add button in the Rockboxes list. Click the Add button and the Add Rockbox dialog will be displayed. Enter the details of the Rockbox and click the Add button to finish adding the Rockbox. The name of the Rockbox defaults to the MAC address with the word Relay precedes the MAC address. The MAC address can be found on the label of the Rockbox. Once you have chosen a room, you can drag the cube to change the location of the Rockbox relative to the room. Click the Add button to finish adding the Rockbox. Once a Rockbox is added, you may change its information by editing it. First, locate the Rockbox you'd like to edit. Select it by clicking the radio button to the left of the name. Then click the Edit button above. The Edit Rockbox dialog will be displayed. Make changes to the details of the Rockbox and click the Edit button to commit the changes. Please note that the Is Exit Door checkbox indicates if the Rockbox is located near an exit. This lets the Rockbox generate a wander alert if a resident left the current floor. Click the Edit button to finish editing the Rockbox. If a Rockbox was created by mistake or being decommissioned, you can delete it. First, locate the Rockbox you'd like to delete. Select it by clicking the radio button to the left of the name. Then click the Delete button above. A confirmation dialog will be displayed. Click Confirm Delete to finish deleting the Rockbox. This concludes the Manage Rockbox tutorial. Thank you for watching.